If I was to start a whole new clothing brand tomorrow, what would I do differently? Well, firstly, I would buckle down and I would try and work out what are my 2 hero products. Most clothing brands fail because they launch with too many products. And today, I'm going to show you that you can actually launch a clothing brand with 2 core hero products and create a website that showcases them to their full potential using Wix. This is the approach that I am going to suggest, that I am going to advise to any new brand starting. It reduces cost, it simplifies marketing, and it increases that all important conversion. Trust me when I say this is perfect when you don't have a big budget to work with. My name is Taddy G, and on this channel I like to share all things business, tips, tricks, gems, and I like to share with you the things that I have learned along the way in my entrepreneurial journey. Now, 2 products isn't limited, it's focused. Less inventory, less sampling, less risk. Fewer choices means that these customers are going to make quicker decisions. Now you might be thinking, do I really need an entire website to launch with just 2 products? That's exactly what is going to set you apart from the rest of the people that are launching clothing brands in this 2026. I am not trying to see DM me to order in 2026. Anyone can sell on social media and you are not going to be one of them. Not if you're watching this video. What is the importance of having a website? Well, a website is going to show that you are a legit brand. You're going to come across as a legitimate brand. I mean, who's going to put in all that work into a website if they are not a legit brand? Customers are more trusted when a brand has a clean, professional website. And a website will give you full control over branding, customer emails, and that all important customer data. So we are going to build a website together on Wix. And we want a clean, minimal website fit for a premium streetwear brand. And the thing with Wix is that you don't need any experience to build a professional looking website that's incredible. And with the advancements of AI, I want to see how far I can push it. So I am going to be creating this website using Wix AI. Can AI really build me a website that is fit for launch? Well, we are going to find out together. So as you can see here, we are in Wix and we are on the AI side of website creation on Wix. And I'm going to click here where it says start chat. So with AI, prompts are incredibly important. So we need to get super detailed with our prompt in order to get an output that is close to what we are looking for. So here is my prompt, pause to read. So although I have gone for an incredibly detailed prompt, Wix can also help you get to that detailed prompt. So if I was to vaguely put streetwear clothing brand website, it will go on to ask me more details for a more detailed output. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. Now over here, it wants me to confirm the name of the business. So I'm going to reconfirm that and write Shiva Shiva. What type of products do you plan to offer besides 2 graphic t-shirts? Only the 2 t-shirts. And click next. And over here, as you can see, it's beginning to build me a site profile. What additional goals do you have for your website? For example, do you want to build an email list, create a blog? Yes, both. Can you share your business history or background? I'm gonna write, I want to showcase 2 hero products that have performed well in the past. They are called Naya and Nkosi. Business location is London. And as you can see, it's already taken some points from my prompt. So target audience, tone of voice, etc. Now here are some suggested apps recommended by Wix. Obviously online stores, because I'm going to need to be able to sell the products. Portfolio, we'll see. And blog. I love a good blog. So I'm going to click continue and it says that I am all set. Let's go. Now it's taken me to my dashboard, but I want to see my website. So I'm going to click here where it says design website. And I'm going to click here where it says generate a design with AI. And I'm assuming that it's taken all the information from what I inputted before, and that is what it's going to use to create my website. Now this is what it has come up with so far. I can see what they're going for because it is of course a streetwear brand. We are showcasing graphic t-shirts, and for the most part it does actually look quite good. It's just not really my brand colors, and that is one thing that I didn't actually detail in the prompt. I covered tone of voice, but I didn't cover fonts and I didn't cover color, and in my opinion this is probably one of the most important and exciting things when it comes to, you know, coming up with your brand and the concept, the theme and the overall vibe of the website. And coming up with the colors, fonts and themes will also help when it comes to putting together the packaging and all of that good stuff for the clothing brand. So instead of tweaking this here, I'm actually gonna go ahead and continue with this design, and I'm gonna go ahead to editor because I can't lie to you, although I love a minimal vibe, the red is growing on me. So over here are all the necessary tools that you are going to need when it comes to creating and editing your store on Wix. So over here, if you wanted to add some elements to your website, so say text, images, buttons, strips, that's where you're gonna find all the different kinds of elements that you can add to your website. Over here is where you're gonna be able to add sections to your website, or you can adjust your sections. This is where you're going to be able to edit some of the pages on your website. You could also adjust your site menu. For example, I might remove some of these menu items. And over here, we can adjust the theme. And this is what I actually want to change right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click Theme Assistant. So obviously I want to change the colors. So I've just clicked there and it's given me some options as to how I can change the colors. I want minimal colors. The theme of my brand is navy blue, gray, white, and hints of orange. And I'm going to type that in and see what happens. Now it's actually come up with some codes. And guys, these codes are incredibly important. Once you've settled on your color theme, you definitely need to note down these codes. Would you like me to open the color customization panel for you to apply these colors to your site? Absolutely. I want to stretch AI, so I'm going to ask it to do it for me. AI said that they can't do it, but can guide me through it. For my accent color, we want this code, 500. Interesting. Then over here, I think I'm going to put the navy blue color, 3F, click apply. So I do want to deepen this orange just a little bit and click apply. And yeah, happy days. So that's my color scheme adjusted. I can also go ahead and change up my fonts as well if I wanted to, but I am pretty happy with the way that looks. And you can see here, this is where I would put my products, and I'll have the image of my product here as well. And it's already come up with some text for me as well. One thing I have always worried about when it comes to developing a website using AI is, am I going to have the freedom to adjust things as I want? And as you can see, I've managed to adjust the colors to what I want them to be. And if I wanted to, I can move sections around. I can click into here and adjust what it says. Even though I have used AI to generate this website, I can still use my own creativity to take it that step further and adapt it to suit the kind of website that I would want for my clothing brand. Now, probably the most tedious part of website creation is coming up with the text, the copy that is gonna be on the website. And this is probably what takes the most amount of time when it comes to creating a website. This is where I would add a product to the website. So for example, one of my t-shirts is called Naya. And over here, I can click here where it says generate AI text, and it's gonna ask me, what do I want my customers to know? So I've put it's 100% cotton, ring spun, made in Italy, and it's an oversized t-shirt. It comes in black and a crew, and it's premium. Gonna click generate text and see what kind of description it comes up with. It's come up with a professional bit of text, and I can click here to use the text. If I toggle for the next one, it's come up with an enthusiastic copy. And if I toggle again, it's come up with an informative copy. I can also refine the results if I want to. And if I'm happy, I could go ahead and click use text. And that's automatically popped itself here. And that's a description I could go ahead and use on my website. So as you guys know, we are creating an e-commerce website. So we need to be able to take payments. And as you can see over here, Wix actually allows you to connect multiple methods of payment. This includes Wix payments, which accepts like your regular, insert your card detail payments, PayPal, and Klarna. I use Wix to host my own website, caddyg.co.uk, and I have my payouts set to monthly. So you spent the whole month getting sales on your website and you now want that money in your bank account. I have set my payouts to monthly. So it actually feels like I'm getting a monthly salary, like a person that works a 9 to 5. If ever I need an advance on anything, this can also easily be adjusted on the payouts part on Wix. Wix have so many incredible features geared towards helping you create a website in pretty much any industry. We have just created together an e-commerce website where we're able to sell graphic t-shirts for our clothing brand, but I actually use Wix to host my personal brand, caddyg, and this is where people can book calls. They can participate in my online course, which is hosted on the Wix platform, and they can also purchase digital products. So yeah, I am going to have Wix linked in my description and in my pinned comment, so definitely check it out, because honestly guys, the possibilities are endless. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a thing or two. There is so much to Wix, so much that I would love to cover, but yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my very next video.